Hi students, today we shall continue the chapter trigonometry. So in that continuation of trigonometric functions. First question, let us consider, prove that sin theta sec theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So we have to prove, that is simplify this one and show that it is equal to 1. So proof LHS is equal to, what is LHS? Left hand side, sin theta sec theta into cot theta. This is LHS. We'll simplify this and show that the final answer is equal to 1. So I'll keep sin theta as it is. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, right? Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, and cot theta is cos theta divided by sin theta. I can write cot theta either 1 by tan or cos theta by sin theta. Okay, so these formulas are there in your formula list, you can see that. So now since it is multiplication, I can cancel cos theta, sin theta, sin theta. What is remaining? 1. That is equal to nothing but RHS, right hand side of the given equation. So this is how you prove sin theta sec theta cot theta is equal to 1. Next problem, prove that tan A plus cot A is equal to sec A into cosec A. So whenever they say prove that, I have not written here, so it is prove that LHS is equal to, or you can also consider right hand side, LHS is equal to tan A plus cot A. We have to simplify this, and the final answer that we get should be equal to sec A into cosec A. Let us see. Tan A, we know that tan A is equal to sin A divided by cos A, okay, plus cot A is cos A divided by sin A. So these are there in your formula list. Okay, so tan A is equal to this, cot A is equal to this, that is equal to, now simplifying, so these are like fractions. So whenever a fraction is given, we multiply these two, sin A into sin A, sin square A or sin A whole square, cos A into cos A, cos square A. So right, simplifying fractions, suppose you have A by B plus C by D, what do you do? A into D, cross multiplication, plus B into C whole divided by B into D, B into D. This is how you simplify the fraction. So these are in the form of fractions, so therefore cross multiplying whole divided by cos A sin A, cos A into sin A, multiplying these two. So now we know that sin square A plus cos square A, sin square theta plus cos square theta is always equal to 1. Identity, there were 3 identities, so this is one of them, divided by cos A into sin A as it is equal to 1 by cos A. 1 by cos is sec A, and 1 by sin A is cosec A, right? So that is equal to RHS. So these are in the denominator, so we can consider them as 1 by cos A into 1 by sin A, since multiplication is there. So they become sec A and cosec A. That is nothing but RHS. Okay, we shall discuss next one. Sin A plus cos A whole square plus sin A minus cos A whole square is equal to 2. So LHS is equal to sin A plus cos A, right? So LHS, that is equal to sin A plus cos A whole square. This is like A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B. So we have to consider sin A and cos A as A and B. So A square B square plus 2AB. Similarly, applying A minus B to this, A square plus B square, then minus 2 into A into B. Okay, A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB, applying that formula. So now we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, plus this is as it is, 2 sin A cos A as it is, plus again sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, one of the identities, minus 2 sin A cos A, minus 2 sin A cos A, okay, plus 2 sin A cos A minus 2 sin A cos A, you can cancel, 2 sin A cos A minus 2 sin A cos A, they will get cancelled. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So that is the required answer, is equal to RHS. Next problem, sin A divided by 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A divided by sin A is equal to 2 cosec A. We have to prove this. Okay, LHS is equal to sin A divided by sin A. That is equal to, now these are like fractions, go for cross multiplication. Sin A into sin A, sin square A, plus 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A whole square, whole divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A. That is equal to, so multiplying these two, keeping sin square A as it is, plus A plus B whole square. A is 1, B is cos A. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2 into A is 1, no need to write, cos A, AB, 2 AB. So in place of A 1, we need not write 1, okay, because multiplying by 1 will not change the value. Divide by 1 plus cos A into sin A. That is equal to, now sin square A plus cos square A. So bringing together these two, considering these two, that is equal to 1 plus 1 square is 1. Okay, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, and this 1 square is equal to 1, plus this 2 cos A as it is, whole divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A as it is. That is equal to 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 cos A divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A. That is equal to, this is one term and this is second term. From these two terms I can take 2 common outside. If I take 2 common outside here, 2 ones are 2, plus 2 common outside, 2 ones are 2, 1 no need to write, divided by 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A into sin A. Okay, now 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A cancel, is equal to 2 divided by sin A. So 2 into 1 by sin A. So it is like 2 by sin A is same as 2 into 1 by sin A. 1 by sin A is nothing but cosec A, reciprocal of cosec. Okay, so that is equal to RHS, the required answer. You can see here 2 cosec A. Final answer is 2 cosec A. Okay, we shall discuss next problem. Find the value of sin 30 degree, cos 60 degree plus cos 30 degree and sin 60 degree. So to solve these kind of problems you need the angle value chart. Okay, solution: sin 30 degree cos 60 degree plus cos 30 degree into sin 60 degree is equal to, so sin 30 degree, so you have to see the chart. Sin 30 degree is equal to, so here is the chart, you can see sin 0 degree 0, sin 30 degree 1 by 2, etc. Right, so these are the values you have to remember. Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2, plus cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. So you have to buy it, that's all. 1 into 1 1, 2 to the 4, plus root 3 into root 3, root 3 square, 2 to the 4, that is equal to 1 by 4 plus square root cancel, 3 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So denominators are equal, 4, 1 plus 3, that is equal to 1 plus 3, 4 divided by 4, that is equal to 1. So 1 is the answer. Second one, sin square 30 degree plus cos square 45 degree plus tan square 60 degree, that is equal to sin square 30 degree, sin 30 degree, what is sin 30 degree? 1 by 2 whole square, plus cos square 45 degree, cos 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square, plus tan 60 degree is root 3 whole square, that is equal to 1 by 2, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 2 to the 4, plus 1 square is 1, square and square root cancel, root 2 whole square is equal to 2, plus root 3 square is square and square root cancel 3, that is equal to so 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. You can go for cross multiplication. 2 1s are 2 plus 4 1s are 4 divided by 4 2s are 8 plus 3, that is equal to 2 plus 4 6 by 8 plus 3, that is equal to you can also simplify here. 2 3s are 2 4s are, that is 3 by 4 plus 3, that is equal to. So whenever you have a fraction and a number, you have to multiply these two numbers. 3 as it is plus 4 into 3 12 divided by 4, that is equal to 3 plus 12 15 by 4. Okay, you can try these two problems. Okay, third and fourth problem. Okay, next kind of problem. Find the value of x if this equation holds. Okay, so equation will be given, you have to find the value of x. So write x sine 45 degree. So you have to write the given equation here, not about LHS or RHS. Okay, x is equal to x into sine 45. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2 tan 60 root 3 is equal to sine 30 1 by 2 into cot 30 root 3 whole divided by 3 square 9 cos 60 root 3 by 2, sorry 1 by 2, and cosec 45 root 2. So that is equal to x root 3 into 1 root 3 divided by root 2 is equal to root 3 divided by 2 whole divided by 9 into root 2 divided by 2, that is equal to x is equal to, taking these two terms to the right hand side, so root 3 divided by 2 whole divided by 9 into root 2 by 2. So this was already in the right hand side. Now shifting this, denominator goes to numerator and numerator goes to denominator, root 3. So here you can cancel root 2 and this 2 and this 2, and definitely root 3 and root 3. So x is equal to 1 by 9. So this is the answer. So if you have doubt about this cancellation, you can also simplify like this: root 2 by 2 root 3 by 2 root 3 by, so 2 I will take it to the denominator, and 9 was already there, and into root 2 it was in the numerator, and root 2 divided by 2, this goes to numerator. So when you have denominator in the denominator, that denominator goes to numerator, and root 3 as it is. Now root 2 cancel, root 3 cancel, 2 cancel, 1 by 9. Next problem, 3 cosec square 60 degree plus 2 cot 45 degree into x square is equal to 5 cos 90 degree plus 4x tan square 60 degree. You have to find x. So simplifying this, 3 cosec 60 degree is 2 by root 3, so this is whole square, plus 2 into cot 45 is 1 into x square is equal to 5 cos 90 is 0 plus 4x tan 60 is root 3 whole square, so square is given. So 3 2 square 4 divided by root 3 square is 3, square root and square will be cancelled, that is why, plus 2 1s are 2 into x square is equal to 5 zeros are 0 plus 4x root 3 square is 3. So you can cancel 3 4 plus 2 6 x square is equal to 0, leave that, 4 into 3 12x, that is 6x square minus 12x is equal to 0. Taking 6x common, because 6 and 12 so come in 6 ones, and x square and x taking common factors, remaining x, 6x common, remaining one more x, minus 6 2s are 12, 1x is here, we have taken common, is equal to 0. So which implies 6x is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 by 6 or x is equal to minus 2 becomes plus 2. X is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. So we get two answers. So either x is 0 or x is equal to 2. Find x. You can try these two examples. Okay, find x. If x sine 30 degree cosec 60 degree is equal to cos square 45 degree tan 60 degree divided by cot 30 degree sec square 0 degree. And second example, find x if x square 2 tan square 60 degree minus cos 90 degree is equal to 7 cosec 30 degree minus x into 4 sec square 45 degree plus 9. Okay, you try these two and send me the answer.